you to help make learning even more engaging, because that's just physics, biology, archaeology, language learning, math, science, job skills, and I strongly believe that it is society's future, because again, when you give access, you see success.
Can do. Would you like? Okay.
Assalamu alaikum everybody. Today I'm going to list to you the 5 mostly used ways to say goodbye in Arabic. These might contain some proverbs or expressions that are so helpful for your learning process. So let's begin. First one is مع السلامة. When I say bye, or when somebody tells me bye, they must say مع السلامة. They can't say, not must say, but مع السلامة. مع السلامة is like the formal way of greeting somebody when we go away. مع السلامة means with, literally. It means with peace. Go with peace. مع السلامة. My name is Maha, Maha Ya'ub, or Yaqub, or Jacob if you want. It works with all languages and religions. I'm Palestinian. I come from a small village in northern Israel, Palestine, if you want to call it. I have a channel called LearnArabicwithMaha. It's been 11 years now. I teach language, I teach culture. I take my students all around with me to Jerusalem, so it's also about tourism. And I'm so excited the whole time. I started also my own school. I wrote a book. In the school, I get to meet my YouTube students, fans, you can call them. So this whole interaction with them, and it makes me feel that I'm really engaging people to learn the language, and when I'm able to meet them, it's an incredible experience. I hope I can show you some pictures from my courses, but if not, check my channel, Learn Arabic with Maha, and you'll have all the details you want. Sorry, that was a long intro.
That was you.
I have my university degree and a teacher. Anyways, I started my channel in 2008. What I did was I faced a lot of, not racism, but ignorance from people because I moved to Italy, of course. I got married and I moved to Italy. So in Italy, I noticed that many people don't know anything about Arabs, or they are like really stuck with really old stereotypes. So I said, okay, it was Christmas time. I don't want to make it too long, so you stop me. So it was Christmas, so I uploaded a video called, that was one of my first videos, how to say Merry Christmas in Arabic. Then I went 1 month on a holiday to Thailand with my husband. When I came back, it was 1 million views. That was one of my first videos, and we were shocked. We were really shocked. But then I understood that people, from the messages and the comments, people really didn't know that Arabs can be also Christians. Maybe you are also surprised that there are Arab Christians? No? We evolved. It was years ago. Anyways, so people were really shocked that Christmas is celebrated in Arabic. Then I had to explain Bethlehem, Jesus. I'm from Bethlehem, Palestine. Jesus was born there. So I understood that still I need not only to teach about not the language, but also change people's minds and what they thought about Arabs or Arabic in general. At that time, also in the media, we weren't portrayed, we were still not portrayed at the best way. I mean, when was the last time you opened like a normal TV news and you saw an Arab sipping coffee? When you say Arabic, everything is only badly portrayed. So that's why I felt the need to talk to the world, educate the world about my people, starting with the language. So that's why I started my channel. And I'll talk about another story which made me so passionate and so in love with teaching. maybe next bit of this.
Okay.
Yeah.
That was
Because it's very, yeah, it's very inspiring.
very interesting.
We're gonna do is we're gonna work on 5 words.
Yes.
That have origin in Arabic. Could you say Arabic or
5 Spanish
Arabic.
words
Arabic.
with Arabic
Origin. Okay.
Yeah.
So I want to thank you all so much for being here today. You inspire us, and we want to do right by you. And we want to thank you for spending the time together with each other and with us.
Hey guys, good morning. Sabah al khair from London. I had a fantastic event yesterday, EduCon Education Convention, where I had participated in a panel in which I talked about my channel, my project, my teaching and learning project. I talked about you and my courses. It was a blessing. I met so many talented people, and this whole event in the YouTube space in London gave me I can't wait to go back home and start once again doing and create more content for you. I'm so filled with ideas and more motivation. Of course, I'm always motivated, but it gives you a push, an incredible push when you see so many talented people from all around the world gathering in this place. Amazing. So I'm here because it's day 2, and today this is London Bridge. I'm super excited because this is my first time in London, and these are the buses, the red buses in London. So today, now I'm on my way to the other event, the big, huge event, which is VidCon London, where I'm supposed to meet crazy, important influencers and YouTubers. I'm super excited, can't wait to get there and meet them. I wanted to make a vlog for you yesterday, but there were many workshops and events that I didn't really have the material time to or the possibility to make some videos, but I documented everything through WhatsApp, Instagram, through Instagram. And if you follow me, you must have noticed some news there. So anyways, this is a video about this experience in London. Thank you, YouTube, for giving me the ability to teach my language to so many people and really open my students' eyes on Arab language and culture, being able to express myself, pass forward information. I'm so honored to be part of the educational team in YouTube, and I'm gonna continue doing so. At the end of this video, I just wanted to say a quick hi, and I'm going to, here we can see it better. I'm going to show you some of the things that we've done yesterday, and I will add to this video also the things that I'm going to do today in VidCon. Wish me luck, and I'll see you in the following Arabic lesson with me, Maha, from London. مع السلامة.
Yalla.
Yalla.
Am I pronouncing it right?
Yeah, yalla.
Yalla.
Yeah.
You've said that a few times today.
Yeah.
Like when,
and
yeah.
I say it like talking to other people that don't talk Arabic.
Yeah.
It's like it comes naturally.
Arabic glish.
And I've said Bismillah.
Right. I got it. Okay. Cool.
Bismillah. And yalla, let's move.
Like when you're going to the airport.
And
you would
when they
say,
arrive, they would say.
Wait. Arrive where? On the holiday?
When they land, they should say.
Shukran.
Shukran to God. So, Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah.
Yeah.
Alhamdulillah.
Right. Yeah.
Got it. Nailed it.
So I'm here with my students in Camden Town. Say hi! What did you say?
We're special. We come to London for you.
Where did you come from to London to meet New York? Oh, you came from New York to London
came
to
from
meet
New York.
Learn Arabic with Maha. You?
Belgium,
And you?
New York,
Oh my god, and you?
Italy, Northern Italy.
They all love me. They come from all these places. احنا جينا على كامدن تاون بلندن. ان اجوا معي كان عندي هذا الكونفنشن تبع نيويورك تبع اليوتيوب الاديوكيشن واجينا على كامدن تاون بلندن تهبل تستل عم بفرجيكم شوي في هون كثير ورح اعمل فلوج احاول اعمل فلوج واصوركم اكثر يلا باي باي شوفوا محلاها شو
Learn Arabic with Maha from Maha Yaqub are all celebrating 10 years on YouTube. So give it up for that.